It's Professor Monty again. Let's talk about how to find the LCD, often called the lowest common denominator or the least common denominator. Remember, the reason we need to do this is because if I'm adding or subtracting fractions, they have to have the same denominator first in order to do it. Okay, so here's the idea. Find the prime factorization of each denominator. I've got a video on finding the prime factorization if you don't know or remember how to do that. Choose one of those two factorizations of one of the two denominators. Start with that. The LCD is going to be that factorization times any missing factors from the other denominator. Let me show you what I mean. So I start off with 6. That's a denominator. 2 goes in there 3 times. And so the prime factorization is 2 times 3 gives me 6. Those are both prime numbers. I do the same with 8. Now don't say 4 and 8. 4 is not a prime number, so use a prime number. 2 goes in there 4 times. 4 is obviously not prime, so now we do the same thing. 2 goes in there twice. So the prime factorization of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So we start with one of the denominators, one of the prime factorizations. I usually start with the bigger one, but let's just start with the one on the left. So the LCD, 2 times 3. Then I go to the other one, and anything that's missing from here that I have down here, I need. And notice, I need 3 2's. I already have 1 2, so I just need 2 more. And so I multiply those up. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 times 4 is 24. And so 24 is the LCD. Now, if you're good at this, some people are real good with numbers, and they can look at the 6 and the 8, and right away they say, oh, those both go into 24. That's the smallest number they both go into. If you can do that, you don't need to go through the steps. Just do that in your head. But that's my LCD, 24. Let's look at another one. So this time, we'll put a line there to separate these two. Start with the 12. 2 goes in there 6 times. 2 goes in there 3 times. 2 times 2 times 3. And 2 is already prime, so there's nothing to do there. So the prime factorization is just 2. So my LCD in this case, start with the 2 times 2 times 3. And now I say, oh, I need a 2. I already have a 2, so I don't need another one. Okay, it's only the things that are missing. The 2 wasn't missing, it was already there. So 2 times 2 times 3, 4 times 3 is 12. That's my LCD in this case. And notice both of those numbers go evenly into 12. Both of these numbers go evenly into 24. And that's the idea. It takes a little practice, it takes a little work with this. Now, I do have another video on a shortcut to add or subtract fractions without a common denominator, which gets rid of the whole need of doing this. So you may want to check that out as well. I think you'll like it, but this is how you would find an LCD, a least common denominator. Practice it. It takes a little bit of practice, but you can get it.